What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. Currently seeing at 0.04133, down about 7%. Market cap 1.25 billion, 24 volume 119 million. So if we look at the charts, we never failed to break that previous high. We got a rejection. So I said in the last video, if we get rejected, do expect a lower low. So the two bounce targets, the 61.8 at 0.040. If we start to break that support, then you're going to come likely all the way down to the 78.6. There is also support in this area around 0.0395 or 0.03781 is a 78.6 before bounce. If we break that level, then it gets very bearish. So hopefully we can see a bounce out of this target zone. And then, of course, on the weekly chart, we're just continuing to hold those weekly EMAs. We might break it below them a little bit, but as long as we can bounce from our pullback zone here, then we can see that continuation to the upside. It can get very bearish if we see a strong breakdown from 0.03781, which is 78.6. Then you can come all the way down and break that low. But until that happens, this is our pullback zone where we're looking for a bounce. ABC correction, bounce out of here. See continuation back to the upside in the wave 3 for our friend Gala Games. I do give trade signals for Forex and crypto. You can get it completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BTCC. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. Once you make your first deposit, just send me an email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis. My exact trade setups, just taking a break right now while the market is correcting. Forex signals as well. All you have to do is sign up, make a deposit to BTCC. If you don't want to do that, sign up through the Patreon, $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.